In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to forward a text message on Android. Forwarding a text is really handy when you want to share a message with someone else without having to retype it. Maybe it's an address, a code, or an important update you received. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the entire process step by step, so you can follow along on almost any modern Android phone. First, unlock your phone and open your default Messages app. This is usually called Messages and often has a blue or green speech bubble icon. Even if your phone manufacturer has its own messaging app, the process will be very similar. Once you're inside the Messages app, you'll see a list of your conversations. Find the conversation that contains the text message you want to forward and tap it to open. This will bring you into the chat view where you can see all the messages you and the other person have sent. Now, look through the conversation and locate the specific message you want to forward. This could be a single text, a link, a code, or any short message. When you found it, press and hold your finger on that message. Hold it for a second or two until you see some options appear on the screen. After you press and hold, a small menu or a row of icons should appear, usually at the top or near the message. One of these options will be Forward. On some phones, it might be represented by an arrow icon. Go ahead and tap the Forward option. As soon as you tap Forward, your Messages app will switch to a new screen where you can choose who to send this forwarded text to. Here, you can either select an existing conversation from the list, or type a phone number or contact name into the To field at the top. Take a moment to double-check that you're choosing the right person or group, especially if the message contains sensitive information. When you've selected your recipient, you'll see the original text copied into a new message field. You can send it as is, or, if you'd like, you can add a quick note above or below it to give some context, like, "Here's the info you asked for." Finally, tap the Send button, usually a paper plane or arrow icon. Your forwarded message will be delivered just like any normal text, and that's it. You've successfully forwarded a text message on Android.